Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to hide the navigation wheel. Hiding the navigation wheel allows the user to only work on the default screen that has been set up for them. A use for this function would be that a receptionist does not need to have access to the patient's sensitive clinical information found in other segments of the navigation wheel. For more information on how to set up the navigation wheel and navigation bar, please see the user manual in this video's description. From the diary screen, click on the Settings button located on the top right of the screen. Click on the User Settings tab. Click on General Settings to expand the panel. Scroll down to Navigation. Tick the Hide Navigation Wheel checkbox to hide the navigation wheel. Click on the Close button to exit the settings screen and return to the diary without saving any changes that have been made. Now, click on the Save button to save the settings that have been set up and return to the diary screen. If the Hide Navigation Wheel checkbox has been ticked and the setting has been saved, the diary screen will appear without the navigation wheel. Please note that in order to return the navigation wheel back to the navigation bar, simply return to Settings, untick the Hide Navigation Wheel checkbox and click Save.